Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make vine leaf. First, gather about 50 to 60 fresh, tender vine leaves. If using jarred leaves, rinse them thoroughly to remove excess brine. For fresh leaves, blanch them quickly in boiling water for about 1 minute, then immediately plunge them into an ice bath. This process makes them pliable and easy to roll. Next, prepare your delicious filling, typically a mixture of rice, herbs, and sometimes ground lamb or beef. Now, let's create the heart of our dish, the filling. In a large bowl, combine about 1 cup of uncooked short-grain rice with finely chopped fresh parsley and mint. You can also add about 1/2 pound of ground lamb or beef for a more substantial meal. Season this mixture generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of aromatic allspice. Mix everything thoroughly by hand, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated for maximum flavor in every bite. Mastering the roll is key to perfect vine leaves. Lay a blanched vine leaf flat on a clean surface, dull side up, stem end towards you. Place about 1 tablespoon of filling near the base, forming a small log. First, fold the bottom edge up over the filling. Then, fold in the left and right sides towards the center. Finally, roll the leaf tightly from the bottom upwards, creating a neat, cylindrical parcel. Repeat this process for all your leaves. Once all your vine leaves are rolled, it's time to cook them to perfection. Line a heavy-bottomed pot with extra vine leaves or lemon slices to prevent sticking. Arrange your rolled leaves snugly in layers, placing a plate on top to keep them submerged. Pour over a flavorful liquid, typically water, fresh lemon juice, and a generous drizzle of olive oil, ensuring the leaves are just covered. Simmer gently over low heat for about 1 hour, or until the rice is perfectly tender. Serve warm with creamy yogurt.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.